Enhance your career with ICTQual CPD course in Understanding Financial Statements. This course is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of financial statements, empowering you to make informed decisions based on financial data. In this course, you'll learn about the three primary financial statements: the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement, and how to interpret the information they present. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the knowledge to read, analyze, and interpret financial statements confidently, making you a more informed decision-maker in your business or career. Mandatory units of this qualification are advanced analysis of balance sheets, in-depth income statement interpretation, cash flow statement evaluation, financial ratios and performance metrics, integrating financial statements for comprehensive analysis. This course is ideal for business owners and entrepreneurs, finance and accounting professionals, managers and executives, investors and analysts, students and graduates, nonprofit managers. What is the duration of this course? ICTQual CPD course in Understanding Financial Statements is a 1-hour training program. This training program has mandatory assessment which will be conducted through approved training centers. Certification will be issued within 24 hours after the successful completion of this course. Successfully completing this qualification will grant learner 1 CPD hour in Understanding Financial Statements. All ICTQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest ICTQual approved center. Visit our website at www.ictqlab.co.uk for more qualifications and information.